Hi, this is Sandy Claire. Welcome to Origami Steam. Today we are going to tackle one of my most favorite and most requested units, and this is called the cube with the octagon windows. This cube that we made was more with a this is 11-inch square. So what we're going to do is cut this 11-inch square down and make it into 4 times smaller. See the little pieces? Okay, there it is. Now, let's not use a paper cutter. We're just going to go ahead and cut this foil paper into 4 pieces. I pinch. See how nice? These are going to be for the connector. And this is what the connectors look like. But it's going to be a little bit smaller. I saved 2 pieces, 2 units, 2 triangles and 2 connectors for you to see. And as you see here, I already started putting it together. It just takes a long time, but it's worth it once you're done. So here's the 4 sheets of paper that we're going to make out of my 11-inch square piece of paper. This is foil, and it's white paper on one side and foil on the other. You can probably find this at Michael's and Hobby Lobby and those type of art supply stores and crafts. But this seems to be the best size to make this size cube. Okay, first of all, we are going to need to make this corner edge. Okay, now the corner edge, it looks complicated, but it really isn't. You take your paper, fold it into a 4 square. Okay, the shiny part on the base, or on the table. I'm only going to fold 2 sides to make it into a house. So here's your house, and here's your mouse, and now you turn this over and you have a trapezoid. You see that? See that? Now, when you look at it, here it is. It's standing up, and all you have to do now is take this piece, and I'm going to fold this piece in first. Because it's foil, it's a little tricky. But I'm going to fold this piece here, and there you go. Here's your corner. Now we have 2 corners. I'm going to make 1 more corner so you could follow along one more time. You're going to have to make 8 of these. And it's best to do it ahead of time. Once you do it, it's not that hard. Here we go. Here's your house. And fold it in half. So you have your mouse. And now we fold again. Boom. Once you fold that, kind of go like this. And it wants to be a corner edge. Okay? Go like this. I'm going to fold that piece in first. That one's the easy one. Now we're going to do the connectors. And the connectors, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 of these. This almost looks like copper. And this is the way it will be fitting into each other. You see, you put a little glue there, and put a little glue there. It looks like a little bow for your hair. But once that's glued, then you can make your cube. This is how to make the connectors. This one was a 4 square. This is a diagonal. So you're going to have to make triangles. Triangle, triangle. Okay. And then my next step, my next fold I call my burrito fold. You fold it like a burrito. That's just my burrito fold. To the intersection. Open it up. Now you're going to turn this little right up to that fold that you just made. You do that on both sides. So you fold it once, fold it twice, once, twice. Okay, turn it over. Take this and go right to the center. All right, so it looks like a house. Flip it over again and just continue rolling. One, and roll this side here. Okay, this is the way I do it. There's different ways of doing it. But I'm gonna fold this one in because really this flap is gonna go inside here once you roll it. We have to make 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just a matter of measuring. So the best way to measure is to fold that in, fold it right in half, okay? Open it so you see the crease fold, and then just fold it to the center. Fold this one. Cabinet doors, see? And now you just kind of finish rolling it like this. I'm gonna find that glue. Oh, here. This is where the flap is. Let's see where the glue went. Now watch this. You just use a little bit of glue and it should slide right inside. Okay? Now what I do is I like to fold this one over since it looks like copper. There's different ways to making these, but this seems the best way. And then they will both slide right on. Okay. I'm gonna put a little glue on this and slide it right to as far as it'll go, like that. All right, you might need a couple seconds to make sure it lines up just right. Okay, that stands up nice. Let's take a look at what happens when you don't glue portions of the cube. Okay. I'm going to put a connector right here, okay? This saves about 20-30 minutes of film time, but you get the idea. You hold it there. And this unit was designed by one of my students. She didn't really design it, but she brought it into school one day and taught me how to do it. Her name's Jessica, and I want to give a shout out to Jessica for giving me such a difficult model to show so many kids now. Now here, see, we have this. See how that goes? The center window should be an octagon, and that's an octagon is of course a stop sign. I'm going to slide this one. Look at that. We missed that one. We'll slide that one in here. Okay. Here we go. It might take a few minutes for it to dry. But let's see which one is it. Okay, let's put this one. I had a little extra. And here we go. There is my connector. It's still drying, but that's what a smaller model looks like, unit. Here it is, guys, the cube, octagon window, and there's exactly 4, 8, 12 connectors, and 8 corners. So good luck. Give me a comment. Let me know how it works out for you. You're welcome to press pause, rewind, keep practicing these units, and you'll make it. It's pretty cool. And this, before I go, this is spray painted from white thin paper, and this is actual foil, origami paper that's foil. So that's the difference. It's easier to spray paint, don't you? Have a good one, and make sure that you comment. Let me know how it works out for you. Have a good night. Bye.